fastest, easiest way to put in a stair runner. Guaranteed. Okay, when rolling out, you always make sure that your pile is running down this way, not standing up. So when you run your hand on it, you'll see that it has a direction and it points this way. And when you push it back, it goes dark. So one way it goes light, the other way it goes dark. Like water, it should always run downhill. So when the pile is facing this way and it's light, you know you've got it on the right way. Now we've set up our carpet 7 inches this way, 7 inches this way, and we're good. Here at the end, all right, so we're just gonna flick in the little tab here, if you can see that. And then we're gonna pop one staple right there in the corner, wiggle the pile around a little bit so you can't see it. We're gonna move over to the other side here, and we're going to do the same thing with that. Now, we already checked to make sure our carpet was even before we did this. So please make sure that your carpet is even before you start putting staples in. Wiggle the pile, just so the staple marks don't show. And then you should put a staple every few inches to keep it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is for demonstration purpose, so I'm not putting those in there because this is a demo staircase. We pull this off all the time and put new stair runners on. So you can see I started at the top, and now I'm going to roll my way down here. Now what I like to do is I like to keep my rolled up here on top of the first stair as I do it so that I can control it and I can work. Now we're going to start on our first stair here on the landing down, and I like to pre-bend a little bit. This carpet's pretty soft. Now I'm not going to put too many staples in. Usually I put 1 every inch along here, but like I said before, this is our demo staircase, so I'm only using it as demonstration purposes. I expect you would put more staples here, like I said, every inch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 on the 45 up into this angle. Now I like to pre-groove this a little bit because if you don't, the staples can pull out on you and rip the carpet. So you want to pre-bend this a little bit. This is called a carpet tucker. You can get them on Amazon. You can rent them. You can buy them. They're not expensive. And for the money you're going to save doing this runner yourself, you can afford to buy all the tools. So now that we've got this line in here, we've got our staple gun. Like I said, I'm going to put 1 on the end there and 1 on the end there for demonstration purposes. And then I'll pop a few in here just so you can see the process. Now, like I said, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Every inch, this is a 28-inch runner. So every inch is nice. So look at that. Nice groove. And the more staples you put in here, obviously the better the groove, the better the hold. All right. Now, next, we're going to loosen up the roll a little bit and put that into there. And now what I like to do is the same thing. I like to jam that in and score it with the edge of my tucker. And then here, 1 on the end, 1 on the end, 1, 2, 3. Now you can put more. Like I said, this is for demonstration purposes. Now I also like to take my hammer and just bang that in. And that gives me that nice line there. Nice straight grooved line, nice and tight under the nose. And then now we'll come down. So I had my roll there, and now we'll let it come down to the next stair. And if you have 10, 12 stairs, that's easy to do. Now guys, don't remember to like and subscribe on the page. if you're seeing this on YouTube, if you're seeing this on the home page. All right, same thing. We're gonna get that nose and we're gonna bend it a little bit. Now, like we did before, we're gonna score that. We're breaking the backing a little bit, and that just helps for installation purposes. One on the end, one on the end. And then, like I said, you guys should put one every inch. I'm only going every 5 inches right now. This is a demonstration staircase. I'm gonna pop a couple more under there just because of the wonderful things she does, just to give it a good look. And then, so that gives us that nose. Now we're gonna score that again at the bottom, just to break the backing down a little bit. Now, like I said before, this carpet is called Pale Taupe Sculptured Touch. We have this on our website at directcarpet.com. You can purchase this, and you can do this yourself and save yourself hundreds and hundreds of dollars. It's very DIY friendly. Just remember to put your staples every inch under here, and then you can do it every inch along here too, just till you get that nice crease, and then banging it with the hammer. Let's wrap it out over the stair. I'm going to fold that over the nose again, make a little pre-bend. Now you guys can order underpad from us. Now there, I put a few more staples in for you guys to see. Now this is the easiest method. You don't need smooth edge, you don't need underpad. You just need a staple gun. I do recommend an electric staple gun. It is the best, very powerful, get your job done. We just had a gentleman buy a runner the other day, said he did it in an hour, which is awesome. This is a 1 hour deal for you guys. So like I said, you can order this online at directcarpet.com, and we pre-make them to the size that you require. 28-inch wide is the most common. And then we also have other installation methods that are a little bit more technical, with the underpad, with a kicker, with smooth edge. It all depends on what you want. It's all there at directcarpet.com. All right, so we're gonna finish the bottom off. We're gonna score that in there. We're gonna get our trusty knife with a brand new blade. I'm gonna cut from the left, and then we're gonna cut from the right, and we're gonna finish that off there. Wherever it's loose, pop in a few more staples. Like I said, this is our demo model. Okay, and if you feel that you don't like the finish at the bottom, we do send you a finished edge so that you can cut this piece separate here and have the finished edge along the bottom as well. If you don't, you can always put a piece of cord around there, and if you're good with that finished edge, then you can do it like that too. Here's the finished result. No underpad, no kicker, no smooth edge, just a staple gun, staples, hammer, tucker, knife. The easiest DIY system going. You can order this right off of directcarpet.com. I'm Shannon for directcarpet.com.